Hey everybody, 6 o'clock. Welcome back to Cooking with the Skinny Guinea. So tonight we have, we got a really great meal. I'm making a chicken soup. Now, normally when I make chicken soup, I just go ahead and throw it in the slow cooker. I cook it for 8-9 hours on low. I just boil up a little bit of pasta and we're ready to go. But tonight we're doing something a little bit different. Tonight I'm going to be cooking it on the stove. So what I got going on right now, I'm right in the thick of things like I always am. I got one pot up with some chicken soup now, and then I'm going to show you guys another pot that I'm going to, be cooking live, okay? So that is the question of the day. What are the names of the three biological Corleone sons in The Godfather, all right? So make sure you guys go ahead and, comment below, and then I'll tell you the answer at the end. No Google. You can't Google. So I got chicken, and I'm using chicken thighs. You could also use chicken breasts, whatever you want. I got a bag of vegetables here. So I got carrots, onions, and celery. I got my 6 cloves of garlic. I have a 32-ounce chicken broth, okay? And then I ran out of chicken broth, so I'm gonna be using 2 cups of beef broth with that. So 6 cups in total, 4 and 2. I have my mixture here of spices, which is salt, pepper, thyme, and rosemary. I got a little bit of ginger. You like that, Ma? And then I got a little bit of turmeric. All right, follow me. So here's what I got now. So I got one chicken soup that's already boiling up, and I got my chicken thighs already in there. So they're cooking up nice, they're boiling up nice. So I got a little bit of olive oil there, and I got my 6 cloves of garlic going in there. So I'm just cooking up my garlic here for a couple of seconds. So now my little bag of veggies. Let's see how my other chicken soup is doing tonight. Look at that. You see that tint, the real orange tint there is the turmeric. Where's the guinea pig? Guinea pig! All right, so cooking this up for 3-4 minutes until the onions get a little soft, a little translucent. So I'm using tubatini. You can use any kind of pasta you want. I'm gonna make a full pound. Okay, so the first chicken soup should be pretty well cooked there. So I got my little bag of ginger here that I already cut up, and a teaspoon of turmeric. Babe, you guys want to say hi to the guinea pig? Is anybody new to turmeric? Have you guys used it? Have you cooked with it, or have you used it for turmeric tea or anything like that? Because this stuff stains. You don't want to get this on your, on your countertop, on your kitchen table, or anything like that. All right, so the turmeric and the ginger, just cooking up nice. Okay, so I'm using 4 cups of chicken broth, and then I ran out of chicken broth. So I'm gonna use 4 cups chicken broth, 2 cups beef broth, which is nice because it'll give it a nice little different flavor, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna throw the thyme, rosemary, salt and pepper in there. I got boneless thighs here, so I'm just shredding this chicken. I'm gonna throw it back in the soup, and then we're gonna let the guinea pig try it. So this looks pretty good. So now what we're gonna do, let me show you what I'm working with over here too, guys. Okay, look what I'm doing, hold on. So I got my chicken here all shredded up. And what else, guys? 3 biological. Now listen, I'll give you a partial credit if you get the adopted son. You'll get partial credit. And you're not gonna get credit for the daughter. I'll give you that one. That one was Connie. So what you need to do is you need to make sure that the chicken is all the way submerged at the bottom here. It's got to be fully covered by the broth to boil the chicken. All right, my pasta's done. So I'm gonna put that pasta aside. Take a look at the soup. Nice, right? This is cooking. This one I gotta keep on the bottom. I sort of trap her down there. So watch this now. Ready for this? This is nice. Frozen peas. I'm gonna dump them in there. How's that? That's like nice. Cooking with the Skinny Guinea. We do quick, healthier meals in 30 minutes or less. And at the end of every episode, I feed my wife, Michelle, who is AKA also known as the guinea pig. And she tries the dish, and she either gives me 2 thumbs up if it's excellent, 1 thumb up if it's like, needs salt, 1 thumb down if it's like, you've done better, or 2 thumbs down if it's like, you know what I mean? So that's what's shaking. All right, and I'm cooking the tuba. I'm making tubatini with it. You could cook it. You could throw. I mean, listen. You could throw the tubatini right into the soup itself. You can cook it separate. I cook it separate. So that's all good. Whatever your little heart desires there. This soup is done, and that means that this episode is done. All right, so now we're gonna get the guinea pig to try it and let us know her thoughts. We're gonna give Michelle a little taste.
Snickers, roll out!
My dogs are out of their minds. Okay, let's see what she says. You guys like Parmesan cheese? Huh? Okay, let's see what the guinea pig says, and I'll give you the answer.
It's hot.
Yeah, blue on it a little bit. You have any chicken?
Chicken is flavorful.
Going for 2 thumbs up here. Let's see.
Definitely needs salt. Like a lot of salt.
Yeah? Try that.
Much better with the salt.
Okay.
1.5. Like 1.5.
Yeah, 1.5?
But it's also better the next day, and it's a little hot. Maybe needs a little more salt and Parmesan, but I'd give it 1.5.
Yeah, like you're happy enough to eat it and all that stuff?
As long as you're feeding me, I'm happy. That's all I care about.
All right. Listen, I'm happy about that. 1.5 thumbs up. I'll totally take that. Like I said, I usually cook the chicken soup in the slow cooker for 8-9 hours, right, on low, and you come home from work and the chicken soup's already done. You just gotta, boil up the macaroni. So I will take 1.5 thumbs up. Here's the answer to tonight's trivia question about The Godfather. So the 3 biological sons for Vito, the father's Vito Corleone, is Santino, Fredo, or Sonny, right? So Santino or Sonny, Fredo, and Michael, right? And those are the 3 sons, the biological sons, and then you had Tom, who was the adopted son, right? And then Connie was the daughter. So that's it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Cooking with the Skinny Guinea. Finish it fast, even in the kitchen. Well, take care, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.